Today, in fact, yesterday, uh, we as a state have lost one of our tallest leaders and a person who has immensely contributed to the state as a whole. And it's a great loss for us, a loss that is almost irreparable. I had met Sir about 10 days back. I had come to his residence here, and at that time, he recognized me. I communicated with him for a few seconds. Then I got the news yesterday that he was in the admitted in the hospital in Bethany, and I visited him at about 9 o'clock in the evening. And though I'm not sure, I think he was not able to recognize me at that point in time, but I got to see him at that moment. And after that, I got the news about an hour and a half later that he passed away. As a state government, we have declared 3 days of mourning, which is what we normally do for former chief ministers. I had some programs today in Sora, which were of course more on private nature, not government programs. But I've cancelled all those programs today in respect of our great leader, Dr. Lapang, late Dr. Lapang. And at the same time, there will be a state funeral, which will be held on Monday, approximately at about 1 o'clock. And 10 o'clock is the prayer meeting here. So the next 3 days, as I said, the morning will be continuing, and all celebrations or any kind of official programs, large programs, have all been cancelled by the government. So Lapang, of course, has been a very tall figure, a person who we have all looked up to, and his relationship with my late father is something that is very, very special to me. I remember seeing him and sitting with him even in 1988, when I was a very young boy of 10 years old, when my late father was chief minister here in Meghalaya. And that was the time I first came in touch and I met, I should say, I was not a person at that level where I would have the honor of speaking to him at that age, but I met Sir Lapang and I saw him. I have memories of him from that time onwards, from 1988. And throughout his political career, he has done so much for our state, so much for his people. And as I said, for me also, I've learned so much in his entire career. I've been watching all the different works that he has done, and it has been a great inspiration to me. Uh, Even up to his last breath, Sir was very, very, I should say, his presence of mind, his knowledge, and his overall reaction was something which was very amazing. Because I remember when I came to the house 10 days back here to meet him, he recognized, as I said, and he communicated with me, he connected with me. So I was very, very amazed to see that kind of strength and that kind of alertness that he had. So even to the last moment, he was engaging with me and communicating with me. He mentioned few things which I don't think I need to mention those with personal nature. But it's a great loss, even for not just from the state point of view, but from my personal point of view also. It's a great loss, and I express my deepest condolences to the family members, and I pray to Almighty that He may give strength to all the family members and all His followers and all His leaders to bear this great loss that we all have had. Sir Lapang was very active even at that age. It's a very nice question that you have asked. A lot of people would have felt that it was just a position I had given for the sake of giving a political post to him. But Sir took his job very seriously. Whenever there was any kind of political situation or some issue, he would make it a point to call me. He would make it a point to write to me to tell me that this is what he thought about that particular issue. So he was very active, and he took his job very seriously. So I really thank him for all the guidance and support that he gave me.